Welcome to the ultimate weather quiz. Can you guess these amazing weather elements and seasons just by looking at the pictures? What weather phenomenon is this colorful arch in the sky? Is it A, aurora, B, rainbow, or C, tornado? It's B, rainbow. Light reflects and refracts through water droplets. What is this beautiful ice crystal called? Is it A, snowflake, B, hailstone, or C, icicle? It's A, snowflake. They are unique hexagonal ice crystals. What spinning storm is this? Is it A, hurricane, B, blizzard, or C, tornado? It's C, tornado. It's a violently spinning column of air. Which tool is this used to measure temperature? Is it A, barometer, B, thermometer, or C, rain gauge? It's B, thermometer. It measures temperature using expanding liquid. Which colorful season is shown in this picture? Is it A, spring, B, autumn, or C, summer? It's B, autumn. Leaves turn colors and drop from trees. Which star is the main source of heat for our weather? Is it A, the moon, B, Polaris, or C, the sun? It's C, the sun. It drives all weather and seasonal changes. What is this giant spark of electricity in the sky? Is it A, lightning, B, shooting star, or C, aurora? It's A, lightning. It's a giant discharge of electricity. What are these fluffy cotton-like clouds called? Is it A, stratus, B, cumulus, or C, cirrus? It's B, cumulus. They usually indicate fair weather. What is this weather instrument used to measure wind speed? Is it A, anemometer, B, barometer, or C, hygrometer? It's A, anemometer. Its cups rotate faster in stronger wind. What is the name of this glowing light show in the night sky? Is it A, solar eclipse, B, aurora, or C, meteor shower? It's B, aurora. Charged particles collide with Earth's atmosphere. What is the event called when day and night are exactly equal in length? Is it A, solstice, B, equinox, or C, eclipse? It's B, equinox. The sun shines directly over the equator. What are these balls of ice that fall during thunderstorms? Is it A, sleet, B, snowflakes, or C, hailstones? It's C, hailstones. They freeze repeatedly inside thunderstorm updrafts. What is the term for a seasonal wind that brings heavy rain to parts of Asia? Is it A, monsoon, B, blizzard, or C, tornado? It's A, monsoon. This seasonal wind causes wet seasons. What part of the water cycle is shown here as liquid water turns into vapor? Is it A, condensation, B, evaporation, or C, precipitation? It's B, evaporation. Liquid water absorbs heat and vaporizes. What are these high wispy clouds made of ice crystals? Is it A, nimbus, B, cirrus, or C, stratus? It's B, cirrus. They form very high and freezing. What is this instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure? Is it A, barometer, B, anemometer, or C, hygrometer? It's A. Barometer. It measures air pressure to forecast weather. What is the name of this saucer-shaped cloud that forms over mountains? Is it A. Lenticular cloud, B. Mammatus cloud, or C. Stratus cloud? It's A. Lenticular cloud. They form when moist air flows over mountains. What is this spinning column of wind over a body of water called? Is it A. Whirlpool, B. Waterspout, or C. Tsunami? It's B. Waterspout. It forms over a body of water. Which instrument is used to measure the humidity in the air? Is it A. Thermometer, B. Rain gauge, or C. Hygrometer? It's C. Hygrometer. It calculates water vapor in the air. What is the dry area on the side of a mountain sheltered from the wind called? Is it A. Rain shadow, B. Wind tunnel, or C. Valley? It's A. Rain shadow. Mountains block rain-producing weather systems. What is this pattern of ice crystals formed when water vapor freezes directly onto a surface? Is it A. Dew, B. Frost, or C. Rime? It's B. Frost. Water vapor freezes directly onto cold surfaces. What are these unusual bubble-like clouds that hang underneath storm clouds? Is it A. Mammatus clouds, B. Cirrocumulus clouds, or C. Altocumulus clouds? It's A. Mammatus clouds. Cold, moist air sinks beneath storm clouds. What is this optical illusion called, where bright spots appear on either side of the sun? Is it A. Light pillar, B. Green flash, or C. Sundog? It's C. Sundog. Light refracts through hexagonal ice crystals. What is this massive wall of dust kicked up by a strong thunderstorm called? Is it A. Monsoon, B. Haboob, or C. Sirocco? It's B. Haboob. It is triggered by strong thunderstorm winds. What is the scientific name for these sunbeams radiating through gaps in clouds? Is it A. Crepuscular rays, B. Solar flares, or C. Aurora rays? It's A. Crepuscular rays. Sunbeams radiate through guards and clouds. What is the term for these soft, small, white pellets of ice, also known as soft hail? Is it A. Graupel, B. Sleet, or C. Rime? It's A. Graupel. Supercooled droplets freeze on falling snowflakes. What is the name of the climate pattern that warms the water of the Central Pacific Ocean? Is it A. La Niña, B. Gulf Stream, or C. El Niño? It's C. El Niño. It features unusually warm Pacific water. What is the term for this rain that evaporates before it reaches the ground? Is it A. Verga, B. Mist, or C. Sleet? It's A. Verga. Falling precipitation evaporates before hitting the ground. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and subscribe for more fun quizzes.